Hello everyone, welcome back to Y-Long 7th grade math. Today we'll be doing lesson 9, so let's move on to number 1. For a science fair project, Jacob measures insects. The ant was 0.85 centimeters long, while the roach was 2.6 centimeters long. How many centimeters was the roach longer than the ant? So we just subtract it. 2.6 minus 0.85, and we can add a 0 here. So this will become 15, this will become 10 because we borrowed the 1, and this 6 will become a 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. This 5, you can't subtract 8 from 5, so we'll borrow 1. This will become 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 1 minus 0 is 1, so the answer will be B, 1.75. Number 2, the price of a workbook online was $2.35, and the price of a pencil was $1.15. Disha bought 2 workbooks and 3 pencils. How much did Disha pay without the shipping cost? So you bought 2 workbooks for a price of $2.35 each. So it's 2.35 times 2. And 3 pencils for a price of $1.15 each. And well, if you do the math, 2.35 times 2 is 4.7. And 1.15 times 3 will be, just in case, 5, carry the 1, 4, 3. 3.45. And if you add it all up, it'll be 5, 1, carry the 1, 8.15. So the answer will be 8. Number 3, Ethan had $26.30 in his wallet. He paid for 2 bottles of water and a chocolate bar. The price of the bottle of water was $3.45, and the price of the chocolate bar was $4.75. How much money is left in Ethan's wallet? So he paid for each bottle of water. He paid $3.45, and he bought 2. And you bought 1 chocolate bar for $4.75. And 3.45 times 2 is 6.9 plus 4.75 will be 5. 16, carry the 1, 11.65. And 26.30 minus 11.65 will be, carry the 1, change this into 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. Carry the 1, change this to 5. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer will be D, 14.65. Alright, so then moving on to number 4, there are 3C cars in the parking lot, and each of them has 4 wheels. The expression 4 times 3C represents the total number of wheels on the parking lot. Which of the following expressions also represents the total number of wheels on the parking lot? So for every car there are 4 wheels, and there are 3C cars. So we just multiply it, and it'll be C, 12C. Number 5, each classroom in the school has S students. 6th graders have 4 classrooms, and 8th graders have 3 classrooms. The total number of students is represented by the expression 4S plus 3S. Which of the following expressions also represents the total number of students? So with 4S plus 3S, we always add common variables, and in this case it's S. And well, so that means we can add it together, so it will be B, 7S. Number 6, Marsha bought 6p kilograms of apples and put them in 2 bags of equal weight. The expression 6p over 2 kilograms represents the weight of 1 bag. Which of the following expressions also represents the weight of 1 bag? So 6p over 2. Well, over here we could simplify 6 and 2 to turn it into 3p over 1, which is 3p. So the answer will be B. Now, evaluate the expressions for the given value of x. So well, we just plug in this to x. In this case, x is 6, so 3 plus 6 is 9, minus 7 will be 2. Number 2, x is negative 3, so we'll plug it in. Negative 3 minus 5 is negative 5, plus 5 will be negative 3. So it's not that hard. So just like number 3, 9.6 plus negative x plus 2.3. X is negative 8.5, and if you plug it in, it will be just 8.5 because there's already a negative here, and then you multiply another negative here, and negative times negative is positive, so it'll be 9.6 plus 8.5 plus 2.3, and 9.6 plus 8.5 plus 2.3. 6 plus 5 plus 3 is 14. So we'll add a 1, carry the 1. 9 plus 8 plus 2 will be 2 plus 8 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it'll be 20.4. Number 4. Negative 1.7 plus negative 5.4 plus negative x. X in this case is 2.4. So it's just negative 1.7, negative 5.4, negative 2.4. And every time we have all negatives and we add it, you're just adding it. So we'll add all of this and put a negative sign at the end. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 4 is 15. Out of 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So it'll be 9.5, and you add a negative, so it'll be negative 9.5. Number 5. 1 1/4 plus x plus absolute value of x plus negative 3 1/2. So absolute value always means the number inside of it will be positive. So this case, it will be positive 8 2/5. And well, fractions, we just turn it into the same multiple, the denominators. So in this case, it will be 20. So 1 and 5 over 20 plus 8 and 8 over 20 minus 3 and 10 over 20. So if you add it all up, this will be 9 and 13 over 20 minus 3 and 10 over 20, which is 6 and 3 over 20. Number 6, you guys could do on your own. So number 6, try on your own. And the next portion, solve the equation using mental math. Well, mental math, I can't really do anything, but the first problem I'll do it with you. So x plus negative 9 plus 9 equals 8. Well, you always do the opposite. You always do inverse operations when you're solving for x. So the opposite of PEMDAS. So in this case, you will add and subtract first. So over here, you got negative 9. And you need to isolate the x. So you add 9 to the other side. So 9 plus 8 is 17. And then you got the plus 9 over here. So you subtract 9 from 17 to get 8. So these two in your head already, you could just cancel these two out because negative 9 plus 9 is 0 to get x equals 8. So yeah, the other two problems you guys should try on your own. And yeah, that is it for this lesson.